Hello, happy Tuesday. I believe I'm going to try to put this up tonight. It's been a busy day. Jason had to take off work. He has to go get a passport because he might be working in Mexico for the next 3 years. We had to go drop his truck off. I had to go get tires. And I just got to say, as a person, when you go to get tires or, you're out and about and you're into service with service people, please treat them like they're human and that they don't owe you something. Maybe I don't know how everybody is, but the human watching I got today, it was really sad, and I was dumbfounded. I couldn't believe people acted like that. So just that. But if you're new here, hello, I'm Erica from Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. Today we're going to be opening a Boxycharm. These are $27.99 a month, I believe. Mine came in last week, but I already had videos recorded for it. I meant to get the other videos. This makeup look is recorded where I explain more stuff about what happened today, this morning, about what was going on. So we're going to go ahead and open this. I have my little calculator right here. So I'm going to just pop the box open and put my hand in, and this is what the card looks like. Dusk till dawn. I love that decoration. And on the back it tells you everything you got. And it says I got C. I have no idea. There's like a little number right here. It's new. They got so many boxes they put out now. Alright, so the first thing I'm grabbing is actually two things, so I'm going to put one back. Alley-oop. Okay. I used the other one I got earlier, so the Alley-oop highlight, blush and contour, and sassy pants, it says. Stack the odds. I'm trying to open it without destroying the box because I don't think I'm gonna keep it. See, this is like, you can't tell the difference between the two until you like open them, I'm sure. And there's this one. Yeah, that's the new one. That looks just like this. No, it's a little darker. Okay. Alright, and then there's this color. And then this bronzer. It doesn't say the different color names or anything on here, so yeah, it doesn't say anywhere the different colors. And it's all cream products, and they last pretty good. And the foundation I wore, which was the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour wear, it seems to be holding up. So Alley-oop, Stack the Odds, best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact cream blush bronzer is $38. So we're going to put $38. Alright. And the next thing in here is Tanya's Sunset to the Stars lip oil. I'm not real good with lip oils. They're not like anything I usually want. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to put that away. It says, Ultra Shiny Gloss is infused with nourishing coconut oil and pomegranate seed oil to plump and hydrate, plus sheer shimmery pink tint that you can build with each stroke. $27. Alright, put that there. Next thing is in a bag. It is 2 Luxie sponges. I just got a whole bunch of sponges. This one looks different. See, look, it's got like one color there and then a different color there. They feel nice and soft. Luxie all-purpose sponge set, duo-sided beauty sponge, is best used damp and made for your liquid complexion products. This sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it onto your skin. The microfiber sponge is used to dry to apply your powder products smoothly, or used wet to apply your liquid products with no lines of demarcation. So $40 for these 2 sponges. They're proud of their sponges at Luxie Brush. How do you know which one's duo fiber and which one is? If y'all know how to tell the difference, like do they tell you somewhere which one is which? Because I mean, this one maybe is the duo fiber one. let's see. All right, we got a Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkle in Lamb. Galactic Velvety and easily blendable metallic cream shadow formula creates a high reflex sparkling finish that's easy to apply and blends easily and wears all day. $20. It looks like that. Oh, that's the lid. There you go. It looks like a really pretty color. I'm not going to open it because I don't wear liquid eyeshadows, so I don't want to waste it by opening it. So I'm just going to stick it to the side. Because every liquid eyeshadow I've ever gotten, I've either had to throw away because it went bad, or I just never opened it. So, alright. Finally, we have the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. Oh, and it's such a cute little jar. It says Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. Reignite the sparkle in your eyes. Gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado, encapsulated with retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. Long-lasting actives release to help moisturize and brighten fine lines and depuff. It says once you open it, it is good for 6 months. So since I'm right now using an eye cream, I don't want to open this yet, and we will look at it when we do open it. So, and that MSRP is $42. Did I already do that? I'll redo this. Okay, 167. So we're just gonna redo it. 42 plus 38 plus 20, 40, 27. Yeah, 167. So you minus the 27.99. It's 139 over what you pay in value. So that's not bad. And I like this little orange paper they have this month. I don't think I had it in mine last month. I think other people had it in theirs, but I haven't watched. I've been more into watching people clean their house and stuff lately. So yeah, you know, when you're trying to get motivated to do all that kind of stuff, I need to get motivated to finish doing what I got to do for the day and to upload this video. I hope you are all having a wonderful, beautiful Tuesday, and I will see you Thursday with a trying new makeup video. All right.